Alright folks, gather round because today I'm going to show you how to master the art of grilling the perfect steak. Whether you're a seasoned grill master or just getting started, these tips will have you grilling like a pro in no time. First things first, let's talk about the meat. You want to start with a high-quality cut, like ribeye or New York strip. Make sure it's about 1.5 inches thick for that perfect balance of juiciness and flavor. Now let's prep that steak. Take it out of the fridge at least 30 minutes before grilling. This allows it to come to room temperature and ensures even cooking. Pat it dry with paper towels to get that nice sear. Generously season both sides with salt and pepper. You can also add a bit of garlic powder or your favorite steak rub for extra flavor. Alright, time to fire up the grill. Preheat it to high heat around 450 to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. You want it hot enough to sear the steak and lock in all those delicious juices. Now place the steak on the grill. For a perfect medium rare, grill it for about 4-5 minutes per side, but here's the secret. Don't move it around. Let it stay in place to get those beautiful grill marks. While it's grilling, resist the urge to press down on the steak with your spatula. This only squeezes out the juices, and we want to keep them inside where they belong. Now here's a pro tip. Use a meat thermometer to check the internal temperature. You're aiming for 130 degrees Fahrenheit for medium rare. If you like it more well done, let it go a bit longer, but remember, the steak will continue to cook a little after you take it off the grill. Once it hits the right temperature, remove it from the grill and let it rest for about 5 minutes. This is crucial, folks. Resting allows the juices to redistribute throughout the steak, making it incredibly juicy and flavorful. While the steak is resting, let's talk sides. Grilled asparagus, roasted potatoes, or a fresh salad are perfect companions. Keep it simple and let the steak be the star of the show. Alright, it's time to slice and serve. Cut against the grain to ensure each bite is tender and melt in your mouth good. Look at that perfectly grilled steak, juicy, flavorful, and cooked just right. So there you have it, the secrets to grilling the perfect steak every time. Give this a try at your next barbecue, and watch everyone come back for seconds. Thanks for watching, and happy grilling.